Hi, in this video we're going to find the area of a circle, but we're going to give our answer as a multiple of pi. Now let's remind ourselves how we find the area of a circle. If we have the radius of a circle, remember the radius is a line from the centre of the circle to the edge of the circle, the circumference. If the radius we call it r, the length r, then the area of the circle is equal to pi multiplied by the radius squared. Now remember, pi is just a special number in maths. Pi is a Greek letter, but it has the value 3.141, etc., and lots of digits. But you don't need to remember the digits of pi because your calculator should have it if it's a scientific calculator. So the radius in this particular case is 11. So let's do the area. The area is pi multiplied by the radius squared, so 11 squared. Remember, by the way, in algebra, when things are next to each other, so you have pi r squared, it means pi times by r squared. So we got pi times 11 squared. Now, we don't actually need to use our calculator this time because we can simplify it because we want our answer in terms of pi, right? So what is 11 squared? 11 squared is 11 times 11, which is 121. Now, if you've got pi times 121, you write it as 121 pi. It's a bit like if I had, say, 3 times x, you'd write that as 3x, wouldn't you, with the 3 before the x? Or if I wrote x times by 3, you would still write 3x because you write the number before the x. And it's the same when you have a multiple of pi. We want to say 121 pi to mean 121 lots of pi. It wouldn't make sense to write pi 121 because it would be a bit weird to say pi lots of 121. So as a multiple of pi, we write the answer 121 pi. And what's nice about leaving our answer like this is that it's nice and exact, because if I was to convert that to a decimal, because the digits of pi go on forever, you would have to round at some point. But with and if you round it, you lose accuracy. Whereas with this answer, you don't lose any accuracy. You're writing the answer in an exact way, which is good.